If you're in finance and you're not using Claude, you are absolutely wasting your time. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it better than 99% of other people. So the first and most basic way of using it if you're working in finance is to install the Claude extension for Excel. I'm sure you know that Excel takes up so much of your time. It can be a bit complicated, but Claude has actually become really good at it. So to install this, just go to this claude.com, Claude for Excel page. I will link it down below. If you then go into install now, it will take you to the Microsoft Marketplace. And here you can add the Claude by Anthropic for Excel extension. Once you install it, you need to log into your Microsoft page. Then you will get sent over to Excel and you will then see the Claude extension on the right hand side. And in the top right corner, you then just have to log in to your Claude account and you are good to go. And this is what it looked like for a new Excel sheet. But just to show you the power of it, all I did was I uploaded 2 CSV files, 1 chart of accounts and 1 general ledger. I then just wrote, I have uploaded CSV files for a client's chart of accounts and general ledger, but they wanted it presented in Excel. Please analyze and break down this data and make them into presentable Excel sheets. And it then started out by making an entire plan. Basically said that the plan was to make a chart of accounts, general ledger, trial balance, income sheet, balance sheet. Then asked me if I wanted to change anything in this plan. I just said, yes, please proceed. It then went ahead and built it all out. And you can see exactly what it did. You can see the entire process, which I think is really cool. And it then gave a summary of the 4 sheets that it built. And this is what it turned out like, which is super cool, super professional. You have all the data in here. And this was obviously the first draft with a super basic prompt just to show you the power of it. So you have the chart of accounts, you have the trial balance, you have the income statement right here, and you have the balance sheet. And you can see that it makes it into super beautiful sheets right here, super easy to understand and present. And having this extension makes it super quick and easy to make any sort of changes, but it also makes it super easy to talk to your data and to understand it without you having to actually analyze it all manually. So for example, I just wrote what has driven the biggest changes in my gross profit percentage in the income statement. You then went ahead and analyzed it all. You can see the complete answer. It broke it down by month. You have the top drivers and you have the root cause, the revenue mix shift. The gross profit percentage improvement correlates strongly with a channel mix shift away from Amazon US. Amazon US dropped from 47.7% of revenue to 39.6%, while Shopify and Etsy grew a lot. Amazon carries the heaviest COGS burden, referral fee plus FBA fulfillment plus FBA storage, 13 to 14% of Amazon revenue. As the mix shifts towards direct-to-consumer channels with lower marketplace fees, the gross profit naturally improves. And the key takeaway is your margin improvement story is a channel diversification story. And I then went ahead and asked, if you were the best CFO in the world, how would you explain this to the board using simple analogies or stories? And it then made some different analogies, like the toll booth analogy. Think of Amazon as a highway with a toll booth. It's the fastest route to customers, high traffic, high visibility, but every truck we send down that highway pays 3 tolls: a referral fee, fulfillment fee, and storage fee. All in all, we're paying roughly 13 to 14 cents of every Amazon dollar just for the privilege of being on their road. Now, our Shopify store, that's like owning our own street. We pay a small transaction fee, about 3 cents on the dollar, and we keep the rest. So this is really cool, just makes it super easy to talk and understand your data. And it obviously builds it all for you, which just saves you hours of your time. So if you often work within Excel and you're not using this feature, I highly recommend you to check it out further. But if you want to take things to the next level, you also need to check out Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is amazing because it basically allows Claude to work directly in your files and folders and essentially take over your computer and basically do any task that you could manually do yourself on your computer. Cowork can now take over and do the same thing. So let me show you exactly how you can use this. So right here, you can select exactly which folders to work in. I have set up this finance test folder with the general ledger and chart of accounts files in that folder. I'll then just say always allow edits within this folder. And if I then head to customize, Cowork has these personal plugins. So if I go browse plugins, this is just a batch of different skills and commands for a specific use case. So for example, they have this finance plugin, which I've got these 8 different skills: financial statements, journey entry prep, close management, journal entry, audit support, etc. And it has different commands, etc. You also have, for example, the design plugin. You have the data plugin, which has different data analyzation skills and commands and connectors. So what I can do is do /financial statements, and Claude then automatically asks me some more questions to get more context. What frequency and period do you need financial statements for? So in this example, I will just do the past year. And for example, I can say in the folder you have 2 CSV files with chart of accounts and general ledger. Please use all relevant plugins and skills to make a visual, interactive, and professional looking financial statement dashboard and analyze all the data in detail. It will then automatically find those files because it already has access to that folder on your computer. It then automatically also finds the relevant skills like the financial statement skill and the interactive dashboard builder skill, and it then gets to work. All right, so it then went ahead and built this all out. All numbers are verified, told me exactly what I found, and it built this financial statement dashboard. If I now go ahead and open this up, you can see that it has the overview, it has the income statement, it has the full balance sheet right here, and it has the deep analysis. And this is obviously just the first version with a very basic prompt. Ideally, what you would do is also upload your brand style guide so that this is actually built out with your branding. But the great thing with Claude is that it's super easy to make changes. You can just tell it to make any sort of design changes. You can upload any sort of reference presentation and just tell it to make a similar presentation to that. When it comes to the design, you can tell it to change the layout. And in here, it's also super easy to talk to your data to understand it properly. But Cowork also has even more incredible features that will take your experience to the next level. So if you go back into customize, they also have these connectors. So as you can see, I have it connected to my Gmail, meaning it can do any sort of tasks in my email. It can read my emails, summarize them for me. It can send emails. I also have it connected to my calendar, so I can just tell it to add something to my calendar, read my calendar, ask what I have going on today. I have it integrated to my GitHub, my Google BigQuery, so it can automatically extract data. For example, I set up the scheduled task, so it automatically every Monday at 8 a.m. extracts my health data from Google BigQuery and analyzes it and breaks it all down for me. Because this is another great feature. Basically, everything you need to do is just do /schedule, and you can create any sort of task on any sort of schedule. You can tell it to summarize your emails every day at 8 a.m. You can tell it to analyze your BigQuery data every week or every month. And if I go back to connectors, it has so many other connectors. It can probably connect to any app you use on a regular basis. There are hundreds of them, making it super easy for Cowork to do tasks and help you out in any part of your job. Plus, they do also have this dispatch feature, which basically gives Cowork complete access to your computer, and you can give it tasks from your phone. So if you are remote, if you are on a walk, on the beach, in the car, you can tell Cowork to do any sort of task from your phone, and it then executes it on your computer. So if you're working in the finance world, these are some incredible use cases for you to basically start automating your work with AI and save hours every single day. And if you want to take it even further to the next level, you should learn about Claude Code, which is even more powerful. We do have a full Claude Code beginners course in our Skool community. Plus we do weekly calls. We'll give you a full starter repo with 500 plus agents, skills, and workflows. Plus we're working on adding specific courses when it comes to finance data analysis, Excel, AI for accounting, anything in that realm. And we have a big discount for the first 50 people. So I will leave the link down below. Also, if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, or you can send me or my business partner, Andrew, a message over on LinkedIn. I will leave both our profiles down below. Let me know what you want to see next on the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.